start now. This is arithmetic progression, new topic. See here, 1 square and then 4 squares we have, and then 9 squares we have. Then 1 square means 1, 2 square means 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4, but 4 plus 5, 9. But this is not in AP. This is not in AP. Okay, 1 square, then 2 square. 2 square is 4, 3 square 9. 1, 4, 9 means 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So difference here 3, here 5. So this is not in AP like that. That's why I'm telling some examples. Here I see 100, 150, 200, 250. Yes, this is in AP. 50 is increasing order. And next one is C. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. See, this is also not in order. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So not in AP. So if it's not in that AP, now arithmetic progression means in the above examples, we observe some patterns. We find that the succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number. It is important number. By adding a fixed number, in other by multiplying a fixed number. Only adding only you have to get a multiply also, it is wrong. By multiplying or getting also, the series is not in AP, that is in GP. But for us not there GP, that is leave it. Only we have AP, arithmetic progression only. By adding a fixed number only, if the series will continue, then the numbers are in a arithmetic progression. So we shall discuss one of these patterns in which succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. We shall also see how to find their nth term and sum of n consecutive terms, and use this knowledge in solving some daily life problems also we can solve. So here we know the nth term formula, we know the sum of n consecutive n terms, sum of n terms formula also we will know, and then daily life situation problems also we can solve here. Okay, and now arithmetic progression means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Yes, it is in arithmetic progression only. 100, 70, 40, 10. Yes, 100 minus 70, 30, 70 minus 30, 40, 40 minus 30, 10. Yes, it is in decreasing order. Yes, it is in decreasing order. And then again, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Yes, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, adding plus 1. Here, the same number also, the numbers are in APM. Not only fixed number, that means here you are adding 0. Here the fixed number is, the difference is 0. So this is also in AP only, 3, 3, 3 and so on. So this series also in AP only. And next minus 1.0, minus 1.5, minus 2.0, minus 2.5. So adding minus 0.5 every time. So each of the numbers in the list is called a term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. So given I can see in first bit one more than the term preceding it, in each term 30 less than, in other term -1 is adding, and then 3, that is each term by adding 0. So that's why it is also in AP. Next one minus 0.5. Now we have the definition we are getting by AP. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Except the first term. You leave it first term. Then for first term, if you are adding fixed number, second term will come. Again the second term, if you add the fixed number, you will get the third term like that. If the series is continue, then those numbers are in AP. Okay, once again, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Leaving the first term, for other terms, if we add the fixed difference, then the series in AP. And here, the fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. Remember that it can be positive, negative, or 0. I told now, if it is positive means there is series in increasing order. If it is in negative, the common difference, the fixed number you call it as common difference. The difference is common between the two terms. That's why the common difference is positive means the series is in increasing order. The common difference is negative means the series is in decreasing order. If the common difference is 0, then same number will continue in the series. So these three are the possible. Remember that it can be positive, the fixed difference, or common difference. Common difference D we can say. Common difference D is, it can be positive, negative, or 0. Positive means the series is in increasing order. Negative means the series is in decreasing order. 0 means same term in the series. And now let us denote the first term of an AP by A1. First term is A1, first term A1, second term by A2, small a1, small a2, nth term by AN. The common difference is D. Then the AP becomes A1, A2, A3, and so on, AN. That means in that n terms are there. In that series, n terms are there. And here, the series may be finite or infinite. The series may be finite or infinite. Finite means the last term we know. Infinite means we don't know the last term. These are the two cases: finite series, infinite series. When you can say finite series means if you know the last term, then the series is in finite. If you don't know the last term, it is infinite series. And the AP like this: A1 first term, A2 second term, A3 third term, AN nth term, and common difference A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to AN minus AN minus 1. That is equal to D. The common difference formula A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term always. Second term minus first term. That is a common difference. Whether it is increasing order or decreasing order, you have to take second term minus first term only. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to last term is A1. Before term is AN minus 1. So AN minus AN minus 1 is D. That is a common difference. Understand up to here? Up to here points you understand, Amma? I understand. Anyone? You have to.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first term is suppose as A1, second term is A2, and nth term is AN. Then difference, the common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to A3 minus A2, that is equal to AN minus AN minus 1. Okay. Then okay, and now the general form of an AP is, you see, A, if we add the common difference A plus D, if we add the common difference A plus 2D, if we add the common difference A plus 3D, and so on. A means first term A1, A plus D means A2, A3 means A plus 2D. You see here, A1 means A only, A2 means A plus D only, A3 means one less summa, one less you are getting, A3 means A plus 2D, A4 means A plus 3D. Like that, AN means A plus N minus 1 of D, one less, N minus 1 of D. That is the general form of nth term of an AP. A, if we add common difference A plus D second term, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D, one less, fifth term, what you can say? A plus 4D. What you can say 10th term? Anyone can say 10th term? 10th term. Anyone can say 10th term, A10. A10 equal to, anyone can say, is it audible my voice? Tell me. A10 equal to what you can write? A10 equal
A plus 10D.
Huh? A plus
A plus
90. 90. A plus 90.
90.
Very good. Next. A20. A20, Amma. A20.
A plus 19D.
A plus 19D. A50. A50.
A plus 49D.
A plus 49D. Like this, if you generalize, the nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 of D. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. A means the first term, D means the common difference, n means number of terms the series have. Okay, this is a general form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. A plus n minus 1 of D represent the arithmetic progression where A is the first term and D is the common difference. This is called the general form of an AP. And note that in the examples, there are only a finite number of terms, such as AP is called finite AP. Note that arithmetic progressions has a last term. Finite, I told you, finite series means it has a last term. And if the last term is not there, means the series is in infinite arithmetic progression. Such APs do not have a last term. Simple, amma. If the series having last term, it is a finite series. If the series not having last term, it is infinite AP. Finite AP, infinite AP. Difference is, if you know the last term, it is finite AP. If you don't know the last term, it is infinite AP. Simple. And now you see here, just first term is 6. The common difference is 9 minus 6, 3. So A is 6, common difference is 3. And in this series, you see, A is 6 and common difference is 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 means minus 3. That's why decreasing order means you will get common difference negative. Simple point. If you know A and D, we can write the series also, Nama. If you know A, D, we can write the series also. First term is minus 7. Common difference 2 means minus 7 plus minus 2 means minus 9. Again minus 9 minus 2 means minus 11. Again minus 13. Next term, can anyone say? Next term here. Can anyone say the next term here? After minus 13.
Minus 15.
Yes, next term.
Minus 17.
Minus 17. Next term.
Minus
19.
Minus
19.
19. Good. And now
19.
Okay.
Minus 21.
Okay, next down you see
21.
A 1.0, D 0.1 number. First term is 1.0, D is 0.1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Next 1.4, 1.5,
1.5,
1.6.
1.7, 1.8.
Okay, mute. And then next A is 0. Common difference is 1.5. So 1.5. Next, if you add 1.5, you'll get 3. Again adding 1.5, 4.5. Again adding 1.5, 6. And now you tell. If you add 1.5, what you'll get?
7.5.
8.
Very good. Next term. 7.5 after.
8 and
No. 7.5.
9.
9. Very good. 1.5. Next 9 after. 9 after.
10.5.
10.5. Very good. 10.5. Next term is 10.5. Next
12.
term is 12. Very good. 1.5 you are going to add. Here A equal to 2, D equal to 0 means, I told you, D 0 means the series is same term. 2 will continue. So like this, if you know A, D, you can write the series also. Understand? Here given again once more an example, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, hence the series in AP, here negatives. So the general for an AP is A1, A2 and so on, A1, then D equal to AN minus, D equal to something he wrote, that one no need to remember, K plus and he wrote. So D is same for all. And now I told the nth term, if it comes to nth term, this part is over. This is all we know. Nth term formula, you have to get it. Here you not given till nth term formula. How to find A and D only? First exercise, that only, Amma. First exercise full, that only. And now I'll tell all the formulas first, and then I'll go to exercises. what are the formulas you will get means the first term is call it as A1, second term is call it as A2, third term is call it as A3, and so on. Nth term you can say as AN. And the general form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. A plus n minus 1 of D, where that is the nth term, an equal to a plus n minus 1 of D. A means first term, D means common difference. The formula for D is A2 minus A1. D means A2 minus A1. And then the nth term is A plus n minus 1 of D. That is the general form of NAP. If anyone asks, the general form of NAP means A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. A plus n minus 1 of D. That is the nth term of NAP. That is the general form of NAP. And next one is D equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to A3 minus A2, that equal to A4 minus A3, and so on. AN minus 1. D equal to AN minus 1. The common difference is all same. Then only the series is in AP. Definition of arithmetic progression means in an arithmetic progression, by adding a fixed term to the preceding term except the first term, if we get the successive terms, then those series call it as arithmetic progression. The fixed difference, the common difference D is either positive or negative or 0. Positive means the series is in increasing order. Negative means the series is in decreasing order. 0 means in the series same number will continue. And one more point you have to remember here. If the series is in finite AP means you know the last term. Last term you can say it as AN or L also. Sometimes you can call it as L also. AN means last term L. You know the last term means the series is in finite series. If you don't know the last term, the series is in infinite series. Infinite AP, finite AP. Finite AP means we know the last term. Infinite AP means we don't know the last term. Understand up to here? And then I told the first formula, that is nth term of AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. A means first term, that is only A1, A common, and D means common difference, A2 minus A1. And n means number of terms in the series. How many terms are there? That represents the series. Is it okay? And now to find A79, can anyone say A79 means what, Amma? A79. Is it audible? A79. Meghana, you tell. A79 means Meghana. Is it audible, Amma? Meghana is there, huh? Not there, huh? Meghana.
There, sir.
A79. A79 equal to what? Meghana, you can't tell. A79. Anyone can say? Anyone? But Hussein is there. Hussein? Hussein. Hussein. Is it audible, my voice to you? Hussein. Hussein not there, huh? Somasekara is there, huh? Somasekara.
Sir.
A79 equal to what you can write? A79 equal to A79 equal to how you can write? Don't know? Irtika, tell Amma. Irtika. A79 equal to A79 equal to, you are not telling. Is not audible my voice to you. Only 18 members are here. Irtika?
Audible, sir.
A79. A79 equal to what? Can I tell? Or you will say A79 equal to what? A plus 78D. A79 equal to A plus 78D. Okay. One more I'm asking. A116 equal to. A116 equal to. Rahul. Bolo Rahul. Rahul. Rahul, you can say A116.
Plus 115D.
Clarity.
A plus 160D.
A plus 115D. Good.
115D.
Like that, you can generalize one less sum, just one less. Nth term is A plus N minus 1 into D na. A16 means A116 means 116 terms are there. So in the formula, A plus 115D, 115D. Next, A150 equal to final. One last question. A150.
A plus 149D.
Very good. A plus 149D. Okay. Okay, that is the nth term. And next, understand up to here what I told? Everyone? I understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
राहुल अंडरस्टैंड ना?
Yes.
अभी तक क्या बोला तुमको? राहुल मालूम हुआ? राहुल राहुल मालूम हुआ अभी तक क्या बोला मैंने? मालूम हुआ नहीं हुआ? राहुल बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Good.
What, sir?
What? Okay. So what points I told, once again I'll tell. Tomorrow I tell these points up to nth term. I tell tomorrow I'll tell sum of n terms. I don't want to confuse you. That's why sum of n terms now I'm not explaining. Tomorrow I can explain. First, definition of an AP. AP means a list of numbers which can be obtained by adding a fixed term to the preceding term except the first term. Except the first term, you have last 10 minutes. Okay. Except the first term. That is the arithmetic progression AP. Here, the first term is A1. The common difference is D. The fixed difference is common difference. That is D. D equal to, if you suppose the series A1, A2, A3, and so on, AN. A1 means first term, A2 means second term, A3 means third term. Like this, the series having n number of terms, that is AN. So, okay. And next, D equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, D equal to AN minus 1. And next, what I told means the general form of an AP is, A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, and so on. Nth term means AN equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. That is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. Why it missed one less means first term we are taking as A. Next term onwards we are adding D. That's why if we take second term, A plus D only came. If we take third term, A plus 2D came. Except first term we are telling na, that's why one shortage you are getting. A, comma, A plus D. If you general form of AP, if you understand, you will get why one less means A, first term is A. In second term only we are adding the common difference. A plus D, next A plus 2D, that is the third term. Fourth term means A plus 3D. If you continue, A plus N minus 1 of D, that is AN. A means first term, D means common difference, N means number of terms. A29 means Santosh.
Sir,
A29 means
A
what?
plus 28. A plus 28.
A plus 28D. L completely. A plus 28D. Okay, good. And then next, mute. Santoshi, mute. Some voice you are hearing. Disturbance. Okay. So A plus 28D, A29 means like that. That is the general form of an AP. Nth term is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. A is the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of terms. And then next what I told, infinite AP, finite AP. Finite AP means if you know the last term, then the series is infinite, it is finite AP. If you don't know the last term, it is infinite AP. Last term you can treat as AN, or last term you can treat as L. AN or L. Okay. AN means A plus N minus 1 of D. That term you can call it as L also. Last term. AN is nothing but L last term. And the next anything we said to here, the nth term of an AP, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. A is first term, D is a common difference. If you know first term and common difference, we can write the number of terms in the AP also. This part I explained today. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me for today's part. I told only nth term of an AP only, and the formula for D equal to A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term only. And one more point, Amma. The D is positive means the series is in increasing order. D is negative means the series is in decreasing order. D equal to 0 means in the series we have a same number. That point also I discussed. So that is about nth term up to I told. I don't want to sum of n terms. Tomorrow I'll explain that also. All the formulae. Okay? Understand? Any doubt?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Any doubts means you said yes, sir. You have doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Good.
Understood,
Read
sir.
textbook also, Namma. Read today's no work. You read textbook. Go through the
Okay, sir.
what are the points I told, each and every point. Just read the textbook. Textbook reading is most important. You have to read the reading of textbook. Okay? And the attendance, we are very less again. I told only 18 participants in this. If you leaving me 17, then Vinita double 18, and then one more double where no double, today no double. So that means only 19. Huh? 18 only. So many are absent today. Supriya not coming. Shrestha came today. Yesterday, she missed yesterday. Manikanta, Satish, what happened by Satish? Satish not there, huh?
Satish have cell phone, sir.
Then
He
where
told-
he was? Then why
I
not?
don't know, sir.
Only 18, huh? So many are there. And this Pravalika came today only. Pravalika, there are Pravalika to Amma, daily attendance. You attend daily. Pravalika, don't miss the class. Mohan Kumar is there. Jampa. Babu Mohan Kumar jump. Starting lo unnaru, madhyalo jump avutunnara. He jump. When he jump, we don't know. Huh? Baji, Litish not there. Baji Shaida. Baji Shaida. Baji.
He is not there here. He is not there, sir. Here.
Oh, okay. Hussein, Karthik, Mohit. Manasa with you. Shahida not there. Shahida separately there, huh?
Sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Separately there, sir.
Separately there, huh?
Yes, sir.